Um, when administration or a district um, or teachers put a lot of weight on one category in a grade book, such as assessments, what message can be shared with them to shift that thinking to supporting students' learning?
So I think all of us are familiar with basically the three big forms of assessment: formative, diagnostic, and summative. Well, what ends up happening is a lot of the assessment that we use in a classroom is summative assessment. And so what that is, it kind of says that the learning in that unit is dead, it's over, it's like the autopsy of learning. So instead of saving really rich, meaty tasks for the end of the unit, what would happen if we place those tasks at the beginning of the unit? And not using tasks that get us right or wrong answers, but get us more at analyzing the student thinking. Now, let me be clear, summative assessment is super important for administrators. It's super important for district leads, math coaches, along those lines, but it doesn't move the needle in terms of student thinking in the moment. So if our emphasis is on assessment, what assessment really helps us push student thinking forward? It's not the summative, it's the formative and the diagnostic, to where we can pull up a chair next to a student, find out where their learning is in that progression, and now we can better be equipped to ask the right questions to move their thinking forward. So less emphasis on summative, more emphasis on formative and diagnostic earlier in those units.